I seem to have angered some people with my video about creating skill columns in a resume. It's one of my more disliked videos. So I heard you loud and clear. In this video, I'm gonna give you a quick and dirty alternative to columns, and frankly, it's a lot easier than columns, so maybe I should have given this to you from the get-go. Sorry. If you're new here, I'm Kamara Toffolo, and I'm a resume writer, LinkedIn consultant, and job search strategist who helps working professionals dare to do work differently and land great fitting gigs. Okay, so here we've got Michael Scott's resume. We've already inserted the subheader for his skills section, or you can call it signature skills or areas of expertise, whatever you like. And now we're actually going to build his skills. So let's assume that Michael has done the research necessary to know which skills he needs to include on his resume. And also Michael knows that he will be updating the skills section with every single job application to make sure that he's identifying really important keywords. So what we're going to do is we're going to center up the document and we're just going to start typing our skills. So perhaps sales is an important skill for Michael, of course. Sales strategy, let's say, maybe account management. Again, it all depends on what's been identified in the target job postings. And as you can see, I'm typing a skill, then I'm hitting space and then using the vertical separator to separate from the next skill. This just gives a nice, clean aesthetic to this section, makes it easier to read. And of course, Michael is a manager, so we should probably talk about his leadership skills. So just hit enter to start a new line. We're still centered up. Let's include some more skills. So we've got team leadership, let's say. We've got training. He does a lot of training, a lot of sales training specifically. And maybe employee development, because he does do a lot of that as well. Again, really depends on what's in the job posting and what's important. And so that's really how easy it is to build a skills line in the skills section. I would recommend no more than 3 skills per line and no more than 4 lines. Otherwise, the section can get kind of overwhelming. So about 12 skills maximum, and that should really be sufficient if you've done the research to identify which target skills are required by your target employer for your target job. Did that seem easy? If so, comment below with the word skills and let me know. Do you still prefer the look and feel of skill columns? If so, check out the video I made on skill columns. The link to that video is in the description below. And here's a cue for you. How do you identify which skills should be going in your skills section on your resume? Tell me in the comments below. Did you find that video helpful? If so, give it a like, maybe share it with a friend, and click on my face. Is it there? Is it there? And subscribe. I make new videos every week, and I'll see you next week.